Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll begin by confirming power and placement. Plug the 20W USB-C PD adapter into the S24 Ultra base so it can deliver steady current. Once done, set the pad on a flat surface and remove any metal or magnetic items. Those block the field and can overheat. Now position your phone with its coil centered over the charger logo. Proper alignment ensures efficient energy transfer and minimizes heat. Make sure case thickness is under recommended spec, because thick cases reduce charging efficiency. You should next confirm a successful handshake. Look for the steady white LED and the phone's charging icon. If it blinks, gently shift the phone a few millimeters until the LED stabilizes. This fine-tuning aligns coils for maximum 15W fast charge. Once charging starts, monitor temperature. If either device gets hot, reduce power or remove the case. Make sure your phone's wireless charging and fast charge options are enabled, because the charger and phone negotiate higher power only when both allow it. To finish, let charging session reach your target. Ideally stop at 80–90% for daily use to extend battery lifespan, then remove the phone. If charging fails, first power cycle the charger. Unplug for 10 seconds, reconnect, and reseat the phone. Make sure to try a different USB-C PD adapter or cable to rule out a faulty power source. If you still see red LEDs or overheating, stop use and contact support. A sustained error indicates hardware or thermal protection has engaged.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.